Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're going to learn how to use LINQ with strings. In other words, stuff that normally would take a lot of time can now be done more easily using LINQ. Alright, especially in this case when you are operating on strings. So let's type here using system. Alright, and then using system.LINQ. Alright, I really like LINQ. And then namespace here, we call it sample, and then we're going to say here class program, and then of course static void main. Now what we're going to say is string, so let's camel case here, user text equals console.writeLine, read line. Okay, and notice that here you can chain these, so read and then you can say to lower like this. Okay, okay, see? So now what we're going to say is string and then search term equals, and now you're going to say here console.read line period, and then also to lower, so everything is consistently cased. And now you're going to say string and then arr equals, and you're going to say here user text split. Okay, so split to user text. Now you're going to split this as follows into a new character like this, and then you'll put a symbol, so like that, by spaces, and then you'll put here string split options dot, and then remove empty entries, and then make it look like that. There you go. Let me move this over. So that's our code so far. Great. Now here we're going to say variable occurrences, and then you're going to say from word and r. Okay, so from each word in the array that we make here, where the word equals the search term, select that word. There you go. So this is how you can make LINQ work with strings. Alright, and then of course we're going to say here console.writeLine, and then the word placeholder occurs, and then you're going to put another placeholder, and then you'll say here search term, comma, and then occurrences that count. Okay, close out with a semicolon. So this will count the occurrences for us also. You see, some of the functionality is built in. Of course, at the end we can do console.read key like that. Alright, so there's that. Let me delete this. Alright, so here's our simple code. So we have two namespaces that we need. We make our own namespace, our program class, static void main as the entry point, read the text and the search, convert them to lowercase, so everything is consistently cased. Alright, then you're going to type user text.split, so split the user text like this. Alright, and then you're going to call here from word and r, so for every word in this basically array here, okay, if that word is equal to the search term, get that word out of it and store it over into occurrences. Then we'll display to the user the word the user has searched for and the count of those. Okay, it's going to tell us occurrences that count, so count, and then wait for input. There you go. So let it go, and here let's go with start. Alright, so type in this is the best day of our lives. It is the only day we truly have. Alright, so you can type is, and then you can say the word is occurs two, and of course at the end you should say 2 times, right? But it confirms it because there is once and then there is another time. There you go. So as you can see, this LINQ with strings is quite nice, very compact, and there's a lot of built-in functionality like occurrences that count. Alright, if you go with debug and step into here, and you move this up, well, let's get those values. So this is the best day of our lives. There you go. So is the search term, hit enter, that's read in. Right, now if you hover your mouse over ARR, as you can see, ARR really does store everything split into individual words. You see that? Okay? And of course occurrences at first is still null. So now you're going to run that, and now if you expand occurrences, right? The results view, it stores at 0, index 0, in other words, the word is. Okay, there you go. That's good, and now it looks like this. The word is occurs once, or one time. You can make that improvement, it's not a big deal. Okay, and that is it. So, thanks very much, and I'll see you in another video.